Triumph IAS Daily Prelims Practice MCQ is a program that is exclusively designed for CSE 2023 aspirants. In this video discussion, we will discuss UPSC CSE Prelims previous 25-year questions.
Question number 1. Which of the following leaf modifications occur in desert areas to inhibit water loss? Number 1. Hard and waxy leaves. Number 2. Tiny leaves or no leaves. Number 3. Thorns instead of leaves. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option 1. 1 and 2 only. Option 2. 2 only. Option 3. 1 and 3 only. Option 4. 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D. To inhibit water loss or to conserve water, most of the desert species have waxy leaves that keep them waterproof when stomata are closed. Water is further conserved by reducing surface area, so most succulents have few leaves or no leaves. Some desert plants have thorns instead of leaves. Thorns do not let the water go out. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the best description of the term ecosystem? Option 1. A community of organisms interacting with one another. Option 2. That part of the earth which is inhabited by living organisms. Option 3. A community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. Option 4. The flora and fauna of a geographical area. The correct answer is option C. An ecosystem includes all of the living things, plants, animals and organisms, in a given area, interacting with each other, and also with their non-living environments, weather, earth, sun, soil, climate, atmosphere. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of a food chain? Option 1. Diatoms, crustaceans, herrings. Option 2. Crustaceans, diatoms, herrings. Option 3. Diatoms, herrings, crustaceans. Option 4. Crustaceans, herrings, diatoms. The correct answer is option A. Considering the feeding relationship of organisms in a food chain, it is found that the herrings feed on crustaceans, consumers heterotrophs, and the crustaceans feed on diatoms, primary producers autotrophs. Thus, the correct sequence of a food chain is diatoms, crustaceans, herrings in the increasing order of food level. Question number 4. Consider the following. Number 1. Bats. Number 2. Bears. Number 3. Rodents. The phenomenon of hibernation can be observed in which of the above kinds of animals? Option 1. 1 and 2 only. Option 2. 2 only. Option 3. 1, 2 and 3. Option 4. Hibernation cannot be observed in any of the above. The correct answer is option C. Hibernation, a state of greatly reduced metabolic activity and lowered body temperature adopted by certain mammals as an adaptation to adverse winter conditions. Few animals that hibernate are bats, Gila monsters, wood frogs, snails, bears, snakes, bees, rodents, etc. Question number 5. With reference to food chains in ecosystems, consider the following statements. Number 1. A food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feed upon each other. Number 2. Food chains are found within the populations of a species. Number 3. A food chain illustrates the numbers of each organism which are eaten by others. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option 1. 1 only. Option 2. 1 and 2 only. Option 3. 1, 2 and 3. Option 4. None. The correct answer is option A. Food chain is the sequence of transfers of matter and energy in the form of food from organism to organism. Food chains are not found within the populations of a species, rather among populations of different species. It gives no information about the numbers of each organism which are eaten by others.